Ruth Bader Ginsburg's life and legacy. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, March 15, 1933. September 18, 2020, was pioneering lawyer, Supreme Court Justice, and lifelong advocate for gender equality and civil rights. Her legacy is one of resilience, intelligence, and unwavering dedication to justice. Early life and education: 1933-1959, birth and family background. Born March 15, 1933, in Brooklyn, New York. Parents: Nathan Bader, firm merchant, and Sally Bader, strong advocate for education. Sally's influence: she instilled in Ruth passion for education, though Sally never had the chance to attend college herself. High school and college: attended James Madison High School, where she excelled. Academically: 1950, enrolled at Cornell University, majoring in government. Graduated first in her class in 1954. At Cornell, I met Martin Ginsburg, fellow student and future tax law expert. They married in 1954, the same year she graduated. Law school and early challenges: 1956. Enrolled at Harvard Law School, where she was one of only 9 women in class of 500 men. Faced overt sexism, including being asked by the dean why she took man's place in law school. 1950. When Martin was diagnosed with cancer, she managed his coursework, raised their child, and continued her own studies. 1959. Transferred to Columbia Law School and graduated first in her class. Early legal career: 1960-1980. Struggles as female lawyer despite her academic achievements. No major law firm would hire her due to gender discrimination. 1959-1961. Clerked for Judge Edmundell Pomeroy in the Southern District of New York. Academic career in gender discrimination cases: 1963. Became professor at Rutgers Law School, one of only few women in the field. 1972. Co-founded the Women's Rights Project at the Glue, leading efforts to eliminate legal discrimination based on gender. Argued 6 landmark gender equality cases before the U.S. Supreme Court, winning 5 notable Supreme Court cases before her appointment. 1. Reed v. Reed, 1971. First case in U.S. history where the Supreme Court struck down law for gender discrimination. 2. Frontiero v. Richardson, 1973. Challenged gender-based differences in military spousal benefits. 3. Weinberger v. Wiesenfeld, 1975. Established equal Social Security benefits for widowers. 4. Prague v. Boren, 1976. Introduced intermediate scrutiny for gender discrimination. Federal judicial career: 1980-1993, 1980. Appointed by President Jimmy Carter to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit. Served 13 years, earning reputation as pragmatic and moderate judge. Worked with conservative colleagues like Annan and Scalia, showing her ability to build consensus. Supreme Court tenure: 1993-2020. Appointment to the Supreme Court: 1993. Nominated by President Bill Clinton to the U.S. Supreme Court. Confirmed 9-6-3 by the Senate, becoming the second woman to serve on the Supreme Court after Sandra Day O'Connor. Major Supreme Court cases and opinions: key majority opinions. 1. United States v. Virginia, 1996. Struck down Virginia Military Institute's male-only admissions policy, expanding gender equality protections. 2. Umstead v. L.C., 1999. Ruled that people with disabilities have the right to live in community-based settings under the Americans with Disabilities Act. Famous dissents. 1. Bush v. Gore, 2000. Opposed stopping the Florida recount, arguing that democracy demanded complete and fair count of votes. 2. Ledbetter v. Goodyear, 2007. Dissented in case where the Supreme Court ruled against women's right to sue for discrimination. Her dissent led to the Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act, 2009, expanding workers' rights. 3. Shelby County v. Holder, 2013. Dissented against weakening the Voting Rights Act of 1965, warning that voter suppression would increase. 4. Boa v. Hobby Lobby 2014, who opposed allowing companies to deny contraceptive coverage on religious grounds. 5. Rucho v. Common Cause 2019, dissented against the Supreme Court's decision to allow partisan gerrymandering. The Notorious RBG phenomenon 2013, law student's blog named her the Notorious, comparing her tenacity to rapper the Notorious B.I.G. became cultural icon. Appearing in books, t-shirts, and memes, inspired new generation of feminists and legal scholars. Health struggles in final years. 1999-2020, 1999, diagnosed with colon cancer but continued serving on the Supreme Court. 2009, diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, underwent surgery but returning to work. 2018 and 2020, continued battling cancer while remaining on the bench. Death and national mourning. 2020, September 18, 2020. Passed away at age 87 due to pancreatic cancer. First woman in history to lie in state at the U.S. Capitol. Her death led to intense political debates over filling her Supreme Court seat. Legacy and impact. Legal impact. Gender equality. Eliminated laws that discriminated based on sex. Civil rights. Protected the rights of minority individuals and workers. Voting rights. Fought against voter suppression laws. Cultural and political influence inspired millions as role model for women in law and politics. Became progressive icons standing for justice and perseverance. Quotes from Ruth Bader Ginsburg: fight for the things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you. Real change, enduring change, happens one step at a time. Women belong in all places where decisions are being made.
Now, before we proceed with this incredible knowledge, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Legends Mysteries channel if you haven't already activated notifications so you don't miss any Legends Mysteries knowledge, because it can ultimately change your life. Thanks for watching.